made that. Painted that.
Oh, well, I know right where I'll put it.
Look at the picture she painted.
Oh, Janelle,
We
thank
painted
you.
the
honey.
You're welcome.
Oh, I just love it. What a great idea. The sun and the flower and the cross with a heart. Oh my gosh, I love it. Keep it going. Woohoo.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, another box. Oh, he's got enough duct tape on it.
Yeah, he can't use a knife either.
Oh, it gets better.
It says very fragile.
I hope not.
What is it?
Another box.
It's probably a gift card.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I was looking for that band. Where'd that come from? That's my old get her done. Safely.
Kahlua.
It was in the box, Joel?
She's laughing at you.
Like, hi.
Oh, this is the best.
Yeah, that took a lot of time.
It's worth it.
Never gonna open.
He wants to laugh.
Oh, another one?
Holy cow. How many is that so far? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's a fifth one right here on the bottom. One right open. The fifth box.
And then Dad's over there.
Strip.
Oh my gosh. Joel, that's going too far.
No, you gotta go all the way.
Oh, the glue didn't hold up very good.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Socks.
Nice.
Oh, that works.
We're always looking at that stuff to see.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, he'll wear that.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh.
He had to work for it.
Beautiful.
Nice.
What's on the front of it?
The bone collector.